Hello everybody, welcome to a mini review of this tablet. It's the BITMORE GTAB712T, an Android tablet with Android 7.1 something, 1 GB of RAM, quad-core CPU, dual camera, that's front and back. I think it's 3 megapixels, the back one. And I'm first gonna give a quick presentation of the actual thing, and then I'll tell you what I think of it. Inside the box we have the USB mini, micro, whatever, I keep forgetting which is which, to USB-A. This the USB-A can go to a computer or whatever. And also you can use the power adapter supply unit here. You can plug the USB there and then just charge your tablet. Inside the box we also had this instruction booklet or user's guide in Greek and English. Yep. And now for the main event, or something. Ta-da! Alright, let's do this. Here you can see the camera. There's nothing on the top and bottom of the tablet. On this side you can see the volume the volume thingy, up and down, a slot for a micro SD card, a USB type whatever, micro, mini, whatever, smallest one, not type C though, a headphone jack, and the power button. Also I think this is a microphone. And that's about it. There's nothing else on any other side. There is the headphone here, not headphone, the speaker grill. I suppose the grill is used for a speaker, because I haven't tried the sound option yet. And there is a small reset, there's a small reset hole here. What can I say about this? Well, since I'm not going to have this video run too long, let's power it up, and you'll see two things. First of all, the terrible screen. Actually, it looks better on the camera than if you look at it with your own eyes, but whatever. And second is the loading time. This is from powered off, not standby, of course. But still, it is very, very slow. It's just insanely slow. But that is not the main problem of this tablet. There are two main problems. The first is the screen. And when you get inside it, perhaps you will be able to see it better. It is a terrible, terrible screen. I assume it is a TN panel, and it is the worst TN panel I have seen in my life. And it just, you cannot get good picture no matter what angle you use to look at it, unless you use a camera, which is kind of funny actually. It is really hard to read text. And it's just terrible. No matter how you move it, even dead center to your eyes, it will not look good at all. The other problem is the battery life. When I opened it, I assumed the battery was at 100%, and I'll tell you why. I did the whole initial setup thing, and it went down to 90% in about, I don't know, like 10-15 minutes. Then I used the tablet to check the settings and do what else? Load Chrome once and load it one page, and basically just spend time checking the settings of it. And I did that for about, when it was at 90%, it said that it had battery life of about 3 hours. When I finished checking the settings and all that, after 20 minutes, the battery life estimate was down to 2 hours. And now it is, let's see, at 53%. And does it say, let's see, about 1 hour 6 minutes. And hello. And I seriously doubt if you use it properly, browsing or even checking videos, YouTube or whatever, this will not run for over an hour. I'm willing to bet it will not run for over an hour at the proper normal usage. Add to that the terrible screen. Alright, let's open something, I don't know. What page has lots of text? I did change the font size. I made it larger so that you can see it better. What? No. I said no. Okay, it loaded the BITMORE site. That's the site I told you about that I checked. It's the manufacturer or whatever of this shit. Alright, let's see. Let's go to where? Wow, I cannot see it. Okay. Let's go to BBC. That's BBC Club. I don't know what that is. BBC News. Alright. Fuck's sake. Oh yeah, the other funny thing. Usually I like my language settings to be English. But it didn't give me that option, having English for a language and Greece as a location. So if I had to choose, if I wanted to use Greece, I had to choose Greek, which is annoying. Anyway, can you see how bad it is? What's this? Just channel, what? Is this some special? Okay, go world. Alright. Rainbow Nation celebrates historic, whatever. I don't know what's this. But can you see how bad it is? I mean, look, I'm looking at the viewfinder and you cannot see the photograph at all. Well, you can see that there is something there. It's just terrible. Terrible quality screen. This is at like 15 degrees from the lens of the camera. If that. This is at 5 degrees with the top side of the tablet closer to the lens. You cannot see anything. Not because of the light, but because of how bad it is. Unbelievable. So yeah, I didn't try to really do anything because, well, I was running out of battery by the time I checked the settings. Let's, can we go to YouTube? Let's see. How can I? Oops. I cannot see anything. No. No, I don't want. There. No. Search. Alright. What's it? Royalty free. Royalty. Not come on. I don't care about royalty. Free music. I want to test the speakers. No copyright music. Alright. Alright, this one. The Kaizen Blue Closer. Or Closer. What? What happened? Is this... What the freaking... I hate Android. Alright. What is going on? I'm trying to go full screen and it changes the song. Oh man, this is annoying. Alright. We're gonna have to stay out of full screen. Let's, what is the volume? What? Oh shit. Pardon. Okay, this is a bit of a funny review. Where's the volume? There. Okay, maximum. The speaker grill is over here. Wow, really low. It's at maximum strength now. Maximum setting. Okay, let's see if we can find something with a bit more oomph. Something that... When I'm gone... No, that doesn't sound very... Okay, let's see. Royalty free music, rock. Yeah, so I'm sure there is something. Rock background music, no copyright, alright. It's seriously insanely low. Let's put it on the box. About the same. And you cannot see the screen, you cannot see the person holding the guitar in the video. That's ridiculous. Plus that is slow. I mean, as you can see, you cannot really do stuff because of the slow speed of the machine. Limited RAM. It's just... Oh. So yeah, let's check the battery. It's down to 41%. Okay, so yeah, if you do any proper work, well, if you try to do any proper work, this is not going to last an hour, not 3 hours. There's no way it's going to reach an hour of usage. It's terrible. Sorry for the movement. It's just terrible. BITMORE GTAB712T. How can anyone release such a piece of crap machine now? Thankfully I didn't pay for it. I won this in a competition, and by won this I mean probably they punished me for some reason. This is just terrible. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I mean technically it works, so yeah. But I was thinking that if I was not going to keep it for whatever reason, I was going to give it to a friend or relative or someone who wants one. But I don't dislike anyone so much to give this to them. Just terrible thing. The only good things that I can say about this. The back design looks okay, and I guess I'm gonna use the cable and the power unit here to charge other devices. That's the best thing about it. Plus, I guess that the box, the cardboard box, feels quite sturdy, so I might use it for something else. Thank you very much for watching.